So we are here on our friend's boat. We got escape hatch that has been leaking for a while. So we're going to be replacing that today. You can see there's some bolts that have been bolted all the way through. There's 19 bolts in all. The other ones are probably just screwed in, but what we're going to do is drill all the way through and put bolts in every single hole, not just regular screws. Here's the replacement hatch. So we checked it's the right size, and like I said, you see all these holes. Instead of just regular screws, we're going to be using bolts, and also we're going to be putting 5200, not just regular sealant. This, if it leaks, could be catastrophic. We don't want that. So the proper way to seal this is with 5200, even though it's permanent. If they ever need to be changed, it's going to be a lot of work, but better to be safe. There you go. Now we use this to remove silicone. Okay, so this side all cleaned up, ready to go. We drilled it through because before it was just wood screws in there. So now we're gonna have bolts going all the way through with fender washers on the inside. This one's already in. See the bolts, they're way too long, but that's the only thing they had in stock. So now I'm just finishing up putting excessive 5200 because we always put too much and not too little, especially anything that could sink the boat if it fails. You want to put way more instead of way less. So as you can see, the squeeze out is crazy. But I'd rather have squeeze out than not enough. And we'll just cut the excess off once it dries out. It's done deal on the escape hatches. Just cut off the excess length on the bolts. The owner will put some plastic caps on top of the nuts on the inside, so it won't be scratchy or anything. Done deal. Like and subscribe.